Rates keep falling down. I keep telling everyone out there, you should be looking for a home now. Rates are going to be going up in the next couple weeks. This is not a permanent long-term fall. It is not. But before we jump into all that, I'm getting a little too excited here. Let's go get my introduction in line. Boom. Welcome everyone to Real Estate Daily. My name is Troy, and every day we go over the latest news in real estate, housing, and the mortgage markets. And I'm going to give you my perspective on what is happening out there. Now, before we jump into that, let's hit the subscribe button, boom, 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 and the like button. Why? Because the like button is going to tell you that you like lower interest rates, right? Yes, you do. Let's jump into it. Interest rates continue to fall. I keep saying this. If I was looking for a home in the past 3 months or even the fourth quarter of this year, this is the time right now. Everyone's going to say, oh, rates fall, but there isn't any demand. Bull crap. This is seasonal. And the season to not buy homes is right now. The season to not list homes is right now. But you hardcore home buyers out there, this is the time to take advantage of two things. One, falling rates. Two, weak-handed sellers. Those are what is going to happen right now. What happens in January and February? Sellers are waiting. They don't want to put their home on the market. Oh, I don't want them to kick over my Christmas tree. Got it. All right. We understand that. So they wait till the second, third, fourth week of January, and then they go put their homes on the market. And then they have this, I want the most money for my house. And so it begins the cycle again. So with that being said, 30-year conforming down 8%, 8 basis points to 6.6. Guys, it was at 7.4 2 weeks ago. Come on. Think about it. And these are nationwide rates. If you go local Southern California rates, you're getting a 5.75. You're getting, this is not financial advice. These are just guessing. But I know that I've heard lenders out there going the mid to high fives right now. This is going back at least 4 to 6 months when rates were at this point. Let's go look at FHA, 6.52. Guys, these are fantastic rates. The 15-year conforming dropped 31 basis points alone yesterday. This was approaching 7. Now it's at 5.8. Great time to buy. Let's move on. Now, let's go move on to the people that aren't selling. Beep. It's the home builders. Home builders don't care about home buyers. They don't care about anything. They only care about profits. And if you can't make a profit, they don't need to be building homes. And with them being scared, kick the can down the road. We don't need them in our space at this moment. Home builder sentiment falls for 11 straight months. Guys, make it fall 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I don't care. Get out. Get out. You're only here to make profit. You're not here, and you don't care about the actual housing market. You only care about profit. Next. Some people say, why is Home Depot and Lowe's are booming in a housing market bust? Because at the end of the housing market, people who bought a house want to fix it up. This is the last point. If home improvement gets hurt, that means the entire housing market is just on the verge of having a meltdown. But as long as this is strong, this shows that people are putting money in their house, even if as inflation is at 7.7, the CPI is at 7.7. And I feel we're going to see a kind of a jump in inflation here coming forward when we see gas prices go up, which will affect housing, food, as well as, all the industries actually. But at this point, people still have money on the sidelines, and if they have money on the sidelines, they want to fix their homes up. This is still a strong indicator that the housing market is solid. Next article, and here's the FUD article comes in. CNBC says sharp drop in mortgage rates does little to boost demand. Dude, it just happened. It literally just happened last week, and you're already saying, oh, and guess who actually wrote this article? You got it. My girlfriend, my GF, my ride or not even, I'm not gonna say die. Hell no. Diana Olick. Of course, she's fudded this market forever. She's the one that said, don't buy in the virus moments, right? She told everyone, those are the people who made the most money. And then we came out of it, she's saying it's going to collapse. She was wrong. She's wrong all the time. She has a job because negativity sells and positivity doesn't sell. So before we jump into it and we start talking about this is a traditionally very slow month. It's only the savvy home buyers that are out there looking for homes that are getting the best deals, the best of both worlds. Guys, thank you for joining me today. I'm making this short, sweet, and I'm going to keep preaching it from the mountaintops. If you're a homeowner, a home buyer, you're on the sidelines, get off the sidelines. Get into the game. The action is on the field, and it's homes for sale. You guys take care. I will see you tomorrow. And if you have any comments, leave them below. Otherwise, hasta la vista.